This is the elevator at Dick's Sporting Goods. Yes, at Mall Robinson, Township, Pennsylvania.
Well, then go down and come right back up, okay?
It's a industrial commercial with GAL Jet Plus. Yeah, commercial with GAL. This is nice. Mechanical bell. Here it is. Move the cart over a case. Oh good, no one's in it. Go down to 1. Installed in 2001. Industrial commercial. This is one of my first elevators in GAL. It's not this was Otis, but industrial commercial. Nice mechanical bell. I love these fixtures. Check out the buttons. Nice bell. Tap 2. Door close button works. We like that. Here we go. Just your basic Dick's Sporting Goods elevator. Installed in 2001. GL Jet Plus. Industrial commercial. Hands-free ADA code compliant phone. Installed in 2001. In case of fire, do not use elevators, use stairways. Buy a commercial elevator. I love that bell. Very dirty. There it goes, and that's it.